Time flashes by, leaving sweet memories. It's time for retirement and to be free. We wish you happiness, free of all strife. May retirement be the best years of your life.
Saban Babu, we all will miss you.
I hope this farewell party is the start of a grand life for you.
I fear it is start of my life on welfare.
What about savings and other financial affairs?
A few FDs and some shares.
May I help? Even though I can't spare.
You can't, Sujan, unless you donate your salary every month on date. So, save yourself from this very strife. Plan to retire well with dignity in life. Start to save and invest habitually. Fine-tune your investments smartly.
I need a chartered accountant?
No. You need National Pension System to save tax and ensure old age income. Knowing one's old age is secure inspires employees more.
What would inspire my staff more?
Promise of pension under NPS. It ensures old age income for workers.
Please, can you explain how NPS can make me gain?
NPS, a dream pension scheme. It turns your small and regular investments into regular income in life's second innings.
A lot of money flows into the NPS kitty. Who is responsible for its sanctity?
PFRDA regulates the pension field. NPS Trust is the fund's shield. POP connects NPS to subscriber and Trustee Bank is account manager. Pension funds invest for prosperity. There is custodian of securities. CRA keeps accounts and records. ASPs give pension to elders. And advisors guide you. Now as regards the charges and fee of POPs, CRAs, custodian, fund managers and NPS Trust, well, these are very nominal and just.
Am I eligible for NPS?
Yes, of course. If you are an Indian, 18 to 60 years of age, so join, save and invest as you work.
NPS sounds good. I want to register.
To open NPS account, fill up registration form, submit with nearest POP service provider, either using your Aadhaar or KYC, along with KYC documents.
Can I register online?
Yes. Visit www.npstrust.org.in and follow instructions. Join NPS with Aadhaar without tension or with your PAN and bank verification.
Can my company come under NPS?
Yes, you're eligible. Help employees save for old age. Their motivation will be your advantage.
How do I register my company?
Select point of presence, fill form CH01, who submits it with CRA. CRA then allots a CRN.
Does my company also have to pay?
Only if you wish to. You can contribute less, equal or more.
What kind of account do I get in NPS?
A Tier 1 account to hold your pension. But withdrawal has restrictions. Yours and boss's contributions add up and grow handsomely. 500 rupees is the minimum contribution to open the account. 1000 rupees is the minimum contribution per annum. And you must pay at least once a year and as many times as you wish per year. Tier 2 is for savings and investment. It's low-cost fund management. You can withdraw anytime. You get no tax benefits in this line.
Are there investment options?
Options exist. So take your pick of pension funds you feel will take. You get 2 investment options. Active, where you decide fund allocation, and Auto Choice has 3 life cycle based fund options up to 35 years. It's more equity exposure. Thereafter, it's minimum risk and age-based equity exposure.
Can I change pension fund and investment choice?
Pension fund can be changed once a year and investment choice twice in a year.
Do NPS contributions have tax benefits?
Yes, it gives employees tax deduction on own and employer's contribution. Plus, for extra 50,000 contribution, you get extra tax deduction.
Does NPS benefit corporate employers too?
Yes, NPS contribution by the employers, up to 10% of employees' basic salary and DA is a cost for business operation. Hence, there's no taxation.
Is there a difference in tax savings by investing in NPS?
I will give an example. Person A and B both earn 18 lakh per annum, basic 15 lakhs and allowance 3 lakhs per annum. A doesn't take up NPS while B takes NPS. Tax deduction for person A is restricted to 1.5 lakh rupees in other instruments invested. Person B making own NPS contribution not only gets 1.5 lakh rupees deduction, but for extra 50,000 rupees invested in NPS also gets additional deduction. Now compare employer and employee contributing with only employee contributing.
But can the employer's contribution reduce the employee's tax burden?
Yes, under section 80CCD2 for employer's contribution, employees get extra tax deduction. When employer and employee both contribute, taxable salary reduces to 14,50,000 rupees. When employee only contributes, it is 16 lakh rupees. Now that's a tax saving of 62,000 rupees compared to 16,000 rupees in employee only mode.
Any tax benefits on withdrawal from NPS?
Yes, minimum 40% to buy annuity must be done. It is not treated as taxable income. No service tax is applicable.
Is partial withdrawal possible from my account?
Only if NPS account is at least 10 years old. Withdrawal not to cross 25% of contribution. Purpose is for children's higher education, residence purchase, construction, or for healthcare medication.
What are the benefits and conditions for exiting?
To exit before 60 years of age, take 20% as lump sum and use 80% for annuity. To exit at 60, use 40% to buy annuity and take 60% lump sum for own activity.
Which annuity will suit me?
Well, annuity providers have many options. You can opt for the best annuity solution.
I will join NPS to plan a happy retirement.
NPS will provide pension to my employees, while I will get very motivated employees.
3 cheers for NPS!
Well, to continue enjoying life and retirement, let NPS be your ideal long-term investment. All companies give employees this scheme as it's the retirement plan of your dream.